Hello everyone. Welcome to day 10 of 14 days, 14 major updates with Flightbase. Today, we are tackling a critical gap in site security, making drone surveillance effective when the lights go out. With AI nighttime detection powered by AIR, you now get real-time identification of people and vehicles via thermal and RGB feeds and instant email alerts even in low visibility. Nivedita, can you break it down for us on why it matters?
So, nighttime and low light conditions create a lot of blind spots for many security surveillance workflows. Continuously monitoring live feeds becomes resource intensive and error prone. So, this new update tries to fix that, right? We have around the clock surveillance and responsiveness for the team. So, the AIR now supports real time AI detection on thermal feeds, spotting people and vehicles inclusively, right? So it works in a split view. On one side, you get your thermal detection, on the other, you see the RGB feed, boosting situational awareness no matter the lighting conditions.
But what happens after these detections?
Okay, well, have you ever trespassed?
I was always scared of the fact that an AR might be deployed on site.
So imagine you are on a site and an AIR is deployed, right? You're sneaking around on the ground and the AIR catches your thermal signature.
Okay.
As soon as it does that, it classifies you. Yes, there is a person over here. It's going to send an email alert with your timestamp, right? Your GPS location and your classification. All of this gets done, and then it could be further logged for reviews in the future.
Okay, but once the detection part is done, how is it currently benefiting the security or the surveillance teams who are working overnight?
Good question. So, AIR's flight base is an edge AI engine. All the processing is done locally, it's not on a cloud. What does this mean?
Yeah.
It means it's faster, it's more cost efficient, and it's better security, right? So, this way, operators save time, alerts bring the intelligence to them rather than requiring constant attention. The built-in logging supports audit, compliance, and forensic reviews, helping streamline workflows and accountability. That means you will go to prison.
This is one of the main reasons why I haven't trespassed yet. But yeah. So, thank you so much for joining in, everybody. AR just made night surveillance smarter and more actionable. You can now detect the unseen, get notified instantly, and act precisely, even in darkness. If you are interested in how AI nighttime detection can elevate your operations, visit releases.flightbase.com to explore this feature in detail and stay sharp every hour of the day and night. Thank you so much.